Let's learn how to send ASAs from a smart contract using the asset transfer inner transaction. To send an asset transfer inner transaction, you need to use the itxn.assetTransfer class. Here's an example of transferring an asset with inner transaction. To send an asset transfer, first you need to create the asset transfer object and set its fields. Asset receiver field specified which account will receive the asset. Here we're setting asset underscore receiver to the receiver variable, which is an account type. You can also put the account address string here. Xfer underscore asset field specifies which asset you will be transferring. Here, Xfer underscore asset is set to the asset argument, which is an asset type. You can also put asset IDs here, either as UN64 or int type. Asset underscore amount specifies how many assets you want to send, and here it is set to the amount argument passed into the method. Fee is set to 0 here, but this can be omitted because 0 is the default value. Now, one thing to note here is that both the asset being transferred and the receiver needs to be available resources to the smart contract. I'll leave a link in the description to the resource availability page for more information, but it means the reference to asset and the account needs to be provided when sending the application call. So in this example, we're making them available resources by passing them in as method arguments, but you can also provide them by populating the reference arrays in the application call to this method. Now, after you create the asset transfer object, you submit the transaction by calling the .submit method.